welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. And today, another day sa school ni King. So, ito nagpapakain ako sa kanya kasi guys, ihatid ko naman siya maya-maya, no? Siguro mga, umalis kami mostly mga 15 past 8. So, doon ko siya inahatid. Doon kami nag-start maglalakad, guys. So, ito yung pinapakain ko siya, guys. Para at least, busog siya sa school ba? Hindi siya maging agitated doon kapag gutom. Doon pa naman talaga may oras yung school ng time ng kain. No? Walang hindi sila maka-snacks. Na siya lang isa lahat sabay-sabay. So, kailangan busugin natin sa bahay ba? So, today guys is Thursday. November 7. Yan, November 7. Marami pa na akong nilagay na manghang pa naman to. Kaya pala minsan niluluwa ni King ba? Kasi mga paminta. Daming paminta pala. So guys, how are you guys? How's your life? So guys, update pala guys, no? Meron naman pala si King ng 4 hours. Nag-increase na siya ng 4 hours. Bale, doon na siya kakain ng lunch niya. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko doon sa teacher kahapon sa meeting. Kasi nga may meeting kahapon about sa progression ni King. Sabi ko nga, mag-ano na lang si King, doon na lang siya mag-lunch. Magbabayad na lang ko ng every week niya na food. Kasi para at least ba mainit yung food niya. Hindi lang sandwich ba. So, hopefully kakain si King na doon kasi the same sa mga klase niya. So, yes, this is the life guys, no? Life natin dito sa UK. Sa England ba? Ulit-ulit guys, sa England ang buhay. So guys, may assignment si King. Gawa daw kami ng ginger man. Right, King? Come on. Later ba? Assignment muna. Oh, we're gonna pass this. Okay. We're gonna make ginger man. So I know you've been like that. Ginger man. And then, what is this? Huh? Yeah. Look at that ginger man, King. Ooh. And then his eyes. Assignment kasi niya ito guys, no? Kaya gawa natin ng turungan natin si King. Ginger man got big, round eyes. And then his mouth. Smiling. And then two bottleneck. Ching. Ching. Wow! Look at this. Ginger man of King. Okay, shoot to guys. Shoot. Need some eyebrow. Ching, ching. Ching, ching. Okay. Shoot to guys. Shoot to guys. See ginger man. Look at King's ginger man, guys. Look at that. Mommy and King made it. Yay! Right, drink your... So, meron pa isa. May isa pa. This week, we'll be learning all of one Fahrenheit. Can you draw fireworks using the colors we have been learning? Red, yellow, and green, and purple. Question. Mabuti meron ako dito fireworks. Oh, let's draw fireworks. Come on. Blue, red, yellow, green, and blue. So, we're gonna make some fireworks, matey. Ayan, kasi assignment yun eh. Right, so, red, yellow, fireworks, and then red. This. Fireworks, come on. Fireworks. Green. Next is green. Come on. Make fireworks like this, like that. Come on. Assignment niya kasi yan guys, kaya gusto ko kasama siya. Teacher said Christian have to make some fireworks using the colors. Right, hold it, and fireworks. Green, right? Give me a blue. Blue.
People.
Okay, purple. Draw here. Purple. Yeah.
The view.
Yeah, blue. Okay. Okay. Fireworks. Okay, purple. One purple here. We need purple. They draw purple. Fireworks. Oh, there's a girl. Okay. Okay, it's your turn na purple. Come on. Come on, draw purple. I said fireworks. Teacher said make fireworks. This is your assignment, eh? Yay! Done! Fireworks? Ano ba yung tama yung drawing ng fireworks ko? Uy! Pero yung fireworks namin ni King, guys. Ay, yung bot. Basta lang may assignment, guys, no? So, yan. Tapos na yung assignment. Mag-prepare na tayo kasi alis tayo maya-maya. At least we've done this. Numbots? What is numbots? Okay. Hatid na natin si King, guys. Maglakad lang kami. Yeah, hold my hand here. Here. Naglakad lang kami, guys, no? Kasi nga ano, ito. Okay naman yung mood ni King. Move here. Yung bike. Yeah, there's a bike. So, okay naman yung ano, yung mood ni King. Kaya sabi ko kay King, King, sabi ko naglakad na lang kami ni King, guys. Sabi ko kasi, King, you want to walk? Kasi nga yesterday, guys, yung hinatid ko siya ba? Ano siya, kapag tuwing may nakita siya mga kaidaran niya, bumababa siya sa pram niya, which is useless lang. Tinutulak ko yung pram na walang laman. So, it's better na wala na lang pram, guys. Maglakad ka na lang. Pero hindi naman siya maulan today. Medyo ambon konti, pero hindi yung too much na basa. Kaya sabi ko, okay, maglakad ka na lang. Exercise ba? Oh, I don't have a time na. Sige. King, okay? King, okay? Hey, Christian, okay? You okay? So guys, nasundo ko na pala si King sa school. So kumain na si King doon, guys, kasi nag-lunch siya doon sa school. Kasi nag-impress siya ng 1 oras, guys, no? So doon na siya mag-lunch, tapos sunduin ko siya ng 1 o'clock. So ngayon, mag-merienda na lang siya ng fruits. Wow, yummy. Later, we're gonna change after you eat. King love mango. Good. King. Wow. King love mango, guys. You love mango? Kumakain si King ng mango. Bali, magla-lunch ako, no? Nagsaing pala ako, guys, ng kanin. Kasi nakita ko, may paksiw pala ako sa ref. So, kainin ko yun. Di ko masira. Matamis siya. Kasi yung Paris niya, nung nakaraan, yung kinain ko na una, hindi siya masarap. Maasim. Ito matamis. Good. Sarap naman, guys. Paksiw pa kasi ako dito yung salmon ba. Nakita ko siya na hindi pa pala siya naubos. So, salmon. Ako may pan-chicken pa ako dito. Nakasira na ito ba? Bago ko siya, tapon ko na lang ito. Yung chicken guys, na-marinate ko siya ng isang araw. Hindi ko siya naluto agad ba. Nakalimutan ko, mabaho na. Baho na siya, tapon na na. Na-marinate ko siya guys, hindi ko siya naluto agad. Baho? Yes, mami. Sayang mo yan, ano? Sayang manok guys. Tapon tayo ng manok. Sayang. Sayang talaga. Hindi na ako nagamit ng microphone guys, no? Lakasan ko na lang yung boses ko kasi guys, yung microphone minsan nakalimutan ko siyang i-charge, i-on. Na ano ko, hindi siya nare-record yung voice. So yung mga video ko minsan hindi siya walang voice. So wag na akong microphone. So ito yung paksiw na ulamin ko guys, paksiw na salmon. Nakita ko sa rep na hindi ko pa nadalaw ba. So kakainin ko siya. Guys, gumawa pala ako ng ano ko, ng coffee latte, tapos kay King's Bibicino. Tapos ilagyan ko lang ng isang bar ng chocolate. Yummy? Let me see, King, be. Bibicino, be.
Hi, Mom.
Wow! Your Bibicino is yummy. Try, drink. Sarap yung Bibicino niya, guys, kasi gusto ni King yung Bibicino, tapos lagyan ko ng isang bar ng chocolate. Sarap. Sit down properly. You have to use your 2 hands.
Yeah.
Yummy!
Touch.
No, it's not. It's not hot. Need help? Bibicino. You like Bibicino?
Why I put chocolate there?
Yeah, put chocolate on it.
No. Where?
Yeah, that's why it's sweet. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at your mouth there, got milk in this side. Look at your mouth, got milk here. No, drink again. It's okay. It's only milk. Yung unas na yan. Diba ang arte? Sit down. Drink. Tapos kakain. Nagantay pa ako ng ano guys, sinain ko na kanin kasi nga kakain muna kami ni King. Drink and wipe. What is that, Christian? Drink, wipe. Drink, wipe. Yummy? King love it, guys. King love Bibicino. Busog na ako sa kape. Kakain pa ba ako nito, guys?
And they chocolate.
Oh no. down properly and use your hands too. With your hands. It's easier to drink. Sorry. I'm not drinking, Christian. You're playing. What you want? You want chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, King wants chocolate, guys. I-try natin si King, guys, ha? Kung magbibigay siya sa akin, guys. Of course. Listen. Okay. No, wait. Sit down, sit down. Okay, sit down. It's gonna eat chocolate. Tingnan natin, guys, kung bibigyan ako ni King. Okay, wait. This is yours. This is mommy. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung bibigyan ako ni King ng mag-share siya sa akin, ha? Tingnan natin ang ugali niya, ha? Bigay mo, baby. Sit down. I will give you your chocolate. Okay, that's King. That's yours. This is mommy. Oh, I don't have chocolate. Oh, dear. Oh. Okay, let's eat na chocolate na. I don't have. Oh, thank you, King. I love you. Hello, guys. Sige, binigyan niya ako. Oh, yummy. Binigyan niya ako, guys. That's nice. Okay, gusto niya na maglaro. So, wait, go down is dangerous. So, naiyak ako doon, guys, no, na-touch ako kay King. Kasi kala ko, hindi niya ako bigyan ba. Oh, thank you. So, may puso pala si King, guys.